Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button and become a part of our crew. So for today, we have a new box to the channel and I'm super excited about this one. I'm very excited about it because it hits really close to home for me. It is a mother box. So it's a box for all of you moms out there just to kind of celebrate yourself. It's by the Boxy Mama Company and it is so stinking adorable. And she did mention that is coming in a white box as of right now because of the virus, but normally it's really cute, polka dotted and pink and stuff, and it has that fox on there, and so this is just for right now. So a little bit about this box. There will always be 5 to 7 or more items in here. Shipping is free in the US only. You would pay month to month. Your box would ship out on the 7th of every month. And it is $39.99. And if you don't want to wait for your box to ship on the 7th, say you bought it today, but you wanted something like quickly, you can add a welcome box to your order for an additional $39.99, and the welcome box ships out in 2 business days. So you don't have to wait for the 7th, which I thought was a super awesome thing. So if you would like to see what comes in this box, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I'm getting a little bit sleepy. It's about midnight right now, but I really wanted to get into this box. I couldn't wait any longer. So let's open her up. Okay, and then right off the bat, that's what it looks like. It says, "Hey mama, welcome to the fam. I'm Sarah. I'm the creator of Boxy Mama. I'm a stay-at-home mom to 3 boys and married to my 4th child, husband, LOL. I've struggled through motherhood and have dealt with PPD and anxiety on top of the everyday struggles that come with being a mom. I have often felt unappreciated, burnt out, and just lost many times throughout my journey. I realized this needed to change, not just for myself, but for the moms of the world. Hence why I created Boxy Mama." Aw, that's so sweet. "I wanted to find a way to remind moms that they are awesome, to bring some fun to mama life, and remind moms there is more to life than just being a mom. Your self-care, your needs and wants, they matter. So here I am, working a way to create monthly reminders for mama to take care of herself and bring a little mom fun to motherhood. I truly hope you enjoy your mama goodies as I strive to bring you the best, funny, useful, and fabulous products I can find that every mama should have. You deserve it, mama. You make the world go round." That is so stinking cute. And I don't know if you guys can see it, but that's what their boxes normally look like. You can find them on social media at Boxy Mama Co. You can join the Mama Spot group on Facebook to socialize with other moms. You can enter to win. You can share a picture and videos of your goodies online. If you tag Boxy Mama Co. and hashtag Buy Mama Stuff, you could be chosen as a winner. So that's super cool. July 2020 is Make Today Your Beach. That is so funny. So I did get the June box. So this is a little pamphlet that I'm guessing has everything that came in the box and prices and a summer self-care checklist. How to make your own ice cream. This is really cool. Okay, so it says, "Thank you for your support" right there on top. Sorry, that was a super long intro, but I just thought that note was just the most adorable thing. Oh, cool. So when I take the paper off, that's what it looks like. Yay, I'm so excited for this. Okay, so we have a little bag here. It says, "Excuse me, I have to go be awesome." Aw, how cute. This is by Brownlow Gifts. Ooh, that looks really nice and padded in there. That's awesome. And it feels like it would be really easy to clean. So that's cool. I think we'll go over prices towards the end, so stay tuned for that. Okay, you will be receiving shirts in future boxes starting in September, so that's awesome. Who doesn't like to get clothes every month? Okay, next up, we have a hand and foot balm. Refreshing mint with tea tree with tingling intensity. Effective through washing, soften thick dry skin, highest emollient formulation, and pure vegan. Oh, weird. Whoa. That smells like very awesome essential oils. So wait, is this hand and foot balm? So it's like a lotion. Let's try a little bit. Oh, that's thick. Oh, and a little bit goes a very long way. Smells divine. And it's soaked right in. I love it. I love it when lotions and stuff soak right in. One, you know that you're getting the hydration that your skin obviously needed. And two, it doesn't sit on top of your skin and feel all tacky or like greasy. Like there's no greasy feeling to this at all. That's amazing. Okay, this one's just sitting there staring me in the face, so I have to get it out. It's a tumbler. Total Momshell. Aw, instead of bombshell, it's Momshell. That's super adorable. That's the inside. And then it did come with a straw. Perfect. I'm going to be putting some ice and some water in here immediately after this video. Oh, so cute. Okay, and then next up we have a foot soak. Soothe and soften. Peppermint, eucalyptus, essential oils. Comforts tired, achy feet, refreshing and rejuvenating aroma. Sprinkle contents into a basin of warm water to relax your feet after a long day of work or play. Enjoy the invigorating aroma. And this is by Seriously Shay. It's not tested on animals and it's vegan and they support mental health. So absolutely wonderful, wonderful product there. Wonderful company. Just like some bath salts. I can smell it a little bit through the package. Okay. And then next up we have Ultra Day Serum. No greasy formula, smooth finish. This is by the Dirty Lamb. And I want to say that I've heard of this company before. Oh, this has cannabis sativa, hemp seed oil. Hemp seed oil is so hydrating. Sunflower seed oil, that's very hydrating as well. Brighten up your day and skin with a powerful blend of fast-absorbing, naturally derived oils. Rice bran oil, Japan's aging secret, will keep your skin hydrated throughout the day. Apply 2 to 3 drops, warming between the palms of your hands, patting onto face and neck. Keep the glow going at bedtime with Dirty Lamb Ultra Night Serum. That smells very nice. Ooh, this is another one where a little bit goes a long way. That's awesome. Nice and shiny. And it just keeps going. It keeps spreading and spreading all the way down my arm. That's awesome. So let's check in with that here in a little bit to see if it ends up feeling greasy at all. So then we have, last but not least, it says Somewhere. That reminds me of like a Dr. Seuss. Like it would be somewhere with Dr. Seuss. Oh. To bring anything into your life, imagine that it's already there. So true. So true. Seriously, you can will things into your life. So this is basically just a journal. Feet, what do I need you for when I have wings to fly? Aww. That's super cute. Dare to live the life you have dreamed for yourself. Go forward and make your dreams come true. I'm working on it. Keep some room in your heart for the unimaginable. So yeah, basically just a little notebook. That's super cute. I love that. Okay, so I believe that is everything. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 products this month. Now let's go over prices. Okay, so first, the journal is by liveinspired.com and it is $6.95. The hand foot balm is by opulentblends.com and this is $11. Very nicely priced items. The cosmetic bag is by brownlowgift.com and it's $10. Super cute. And then the foot soak is by seriouslyshay.com and it's $3.50. Very reasonably priced items. The day serum by Dirty Lamb is $44. Serums are always really expensive, but that's a very nice ticketed item. And then the tumbler is from aboutfacedesigns.com and this is $16. So I'll be sure to leave on the screen how much the overall total of the box was. And yeah, let me know down below in the comments which product was your favorite and do you think this box is worth the price? Be sure to let me know and I hope you guys have a wonderful, fantastic day and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!